The Lake Michigan Credit Union Prime Platinum Visa is a utility credit card that prioritizes low borrowing costs over flashy rewards or travel perks. It is designed specifically for individuals who carry a balance from month to month and want to minimize interest expenses. One of the most significant advantages is the market-leading annual percentage rate, which consistently ranks among the lowest in the United States. While many big banks offer low-interest cards that actually hover between 18% and 24%, the Prime Platinum Visa offers a variable annual percentage rate ranging from 9.75% to 18%. The lowest available rate is tied to the prime rate plus 3%. This makes it an incredibly effective tool for those who are focused on saving money on interest rather than earning points. Another major benefit is the lack of balance transfer fees. While most credit cards on the market charge between 3% and 5% just to move existing debt, this card charges $0 for balance transfers. This allows for powerful debt consolidation even without a traditional 0% introductory window. Additionally, there is no annual fee, meaning it costs nothing to keep the card available for emergencies. Qualified applicants can also access generous credit limits of up to $25,000, which is higher than what many other regional credit unions typically offer. Even though it is considered a no-frills card, it still includes standard Visa protections like zero liability fraud protection and an auto rental collision damage waiver. The costs are predictable, and it lacks many of the hidden fees found with larger national banks, though it is important to note that a penalty annual percentage rate of 18% can apply if a payment is 60 days past due. However, the card does have its drawbacks depending on how a person manages their finances. There is no rewards program, so users will not earn any cashback, miles, or points for their spending. For those who pay their balance in full every single month, this card provides almost no value compared to a rewards-based competitor. It also lacks a 0% introductory annual percentage rate period for new purchases or transfers. This means interest begins accruing immediately at the assigned low rate. Qualification standards are also quite strict, and securing the 9.75% rate generally requires a top-tier credit score of 760 or higher. Those with average credit scores might find themselves pushed toward the higher end of the 18% range, which diminishes the primary appeal of the card. Membership is also a requirement since it is issued by Lake Michigan Credit Union. While anyone can join by making a small $5 donation to the West Michigan Miracle League, it adds an extra administrative step to the application process. There is also a 1% foreign transaction fee, which is lower than the industry standard of 3%, but still not ideal for frequent international travelers. Furthermore, as a regional credit union, the mobile app and phone-based support might not feel as polished as the digital platforms provided by national giants. The fee structure remains transparent with a cash advance fee of 3%, late payment fees of up to $25, and no fee for balance transfers. The Prime Platinum Visa is an excellent choice for anyone who frequently carries a balance because the low ongoing annual percentage rate can save hundreds or thousands of dollars in interest over time compared to standard cards. It serves as a smart mathematical tool for consolidating high-interest debt and functions well as a low-cost safety net for financial emergencies. Conversely, it is not the right fit for people who pay their statement in full every month, as they would be better served by a card offering 2% cash back or travel rewards. It is also not the best choice for those seeking a long window of 0% interest for a specific large purchase or for individuals with fair to poor credit who likely will not qualify for the lowest rates. In summary, the Lake Michigan Credit Union Prime Platinum Visa is a high-value financial tool for debt management due to its lack of an annual fee, $0 balance transfer fees, and a low variable annual percentage rate starting at 9.75%. However, users should be aware of the risks involved. The primary risk is the strict credit requirement, as failing to qualify for the lowest tier rate may result in an interest rate of 18%, which is comparable to many standard cards. Additionally, there is a risk of losing the low rate and being moved to a penalty annual percentage rate of 18% if the account becomes 60 days past due. Finally, the 1% foreign transaction fee and the 3% cash advance fee can add up if the card is used for international travel or quick cash access.